Sige, bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye.
Sige, bye-bye! 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 Bye-bye!
Bye.
Remember,
Bye! See you next time! Bye-bye! My favorite evening!
Listen daw.
Wait. Quiet. Listen, remember what I told you. Speak to your teacher in English if you cannot express your feelings. You want to say something, okay?
Apa!
Because I know your first language is English, you can talk to your teacher in English. If you want to say something that you cannot express in Tagalog, you can express it in, you can say it in English so that the teacher will understand. Because the teacher can understand you, they can speak English too. Understand?
Apa!
Okay, good. And then Mama will inform your advisor about your language, your first language. So, because I heard during this call, you know, I heard you speak English more than Tagalog. So you express yourself in English more than in Tagalog. So it's better for you to communicate with your teacher in English, I think, because you can express your feelings in English. You can say whatever you want to say compared to Tagalog. Okay?
Apa!
Okay. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! 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 Bye-bye!
Ingat.
Ingat
Sabihin
po!
mo na lang ang teacher niya. Kasi
Mama,
napapansin
this is
ko,
still
English talaga ang na-express nila sarili nila eh.
I want, I don't
Para
want,
makapag-adjust din ang teacher para makommunicate ng
I
maayos.
don't want
Nasa-
Papa with us anymore.
Sige.
So tired.
Sige na, mga
Bye.
Break your body. It's